Hello, this is Asif, and today I will be discuss about the difference between constructor and method. So, what is constructor? A constructor is a special type of method which is used to initialize the object, and method is a block of code which perform a specific task. So now, first difference. Constructor name should be same as class name, but method name may or not may be same as the class name. If you create a constructor, then the name of the constructor should be matched with the name of the class. But in the case of method, it is not required that name of the class and name of the method should be matched. You can provide any name as you want. Second difference, constructor never return any value. It has no return type. But in the case of method, method has return type and it can return only a single value. If you create a constructor, then you cannot return any value after completing that code. But in the case of method, if you want to return a value after completion of the task, then you can return. And if a method does not return any value, then the return type of that method should be void. And if that is return integer value, then the return type of that method should be int, and so on for remaining data types. Third difference, constructor only can be called by new keyword in Java, but method can call by class name, object name, or directly create an object using class, then only you can call the constructor. But in the case of method, you can call the method using class name, object name, or directly. So now, fourth difference, if you does not create any constructor in your class, then Java compiler will automatically provide you a default constructor. But in the case of method, Java compiler does not provide any default method. Fifth difference is constructor cannot be overridden, but method can be overridden. If there are two classes and there are relationship between two classes as parent class and child class, means inheritance. So if you create a constructor of parent class, you cannot override that constructor in the child class or base class. But in the case of method, if you create a method in parent class and if you want to override that method, you can override that method in the child class. Sixth difference is constructor cannot be declared with static, but method can declared as static. What does it mean? It means that when you create a constructor in your class, you cannot use the static keyword to declare a constructor as static. But in the case of method, you can declare a static method. A static method means it will be common for all the object. It will not create when you create an object. It will be common for all objects. And so that's all for this video. Thank you.